Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Art of Cooking. Today we are making the absolute ultimate eggless chocolate chip cookies. Whether you have an allergy, follow a vegetarian diet, or literally just open your fridge and realize that you are out of eggs, this recipe is going to blow your mind. Alright, let's get baking. The first step is melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat and swirl it constantly. It will foam, then crackle, and finally, dark golden specks will form at the bottom. The moment it smells like toasted nuts, pour it into a bowl and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes so it doesn't cook the other ingredients. Now, whisk the cool brown butter with the brown and white sugars. Because we aren't using eggs, pour in about 3 tablespoons of milk and vanilla extract right now. Whisk vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar partially dissolves and the mixture looks like smooth caramel. Now combine the dry ingredients, fold in the flour, baking soda and salt using a spatula. Stop mixing the second the flour tracks disappear to keep the texture tender. Toss in those heavy chocolate chunks and chips and fold them through. Now remember, do not skip this step. You have to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes and then scoop into balls. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are beautifully set but the centers are still soft. And now for the secret, at the 6-minute mark, open the oven and lift the baking sheet slightly and bang it flat against the oven rack. Alternatively, you can take the sheet out and bang it against the kitchen counter. This deflates the cookies and create those beautiful rippled edges. Pop them back in for another 4 to 5 minutes until the edges are golden. While those bake, let's talk about how eggless baking actually became a global phenomenon. It wasn't just a modern health trend. It was born out of necessity and culture. During World War II, food shortages and strict rationing meant ingredients like eggs and fresh dairy were incredibly scarce. Home bakers refused to give up their sweet treats, so they leaned into chemistry. They realized that by balancing milk, vinegar, or baking soda, they could mimic the lift and structure of an egg. Recipes like depression cake or wacky cake became legendary because they required no eggs, milk, or butter at all. Now, because we went through the effort of browning our butter, these cookies have a deeply rich, caramelized flavor profile. To complement that, skip the regular milk and try pairing these with a hot, spicy chai latte. The cardamom and cinnamon plays beautifully with the nuttiness of the butter. A dark, bitter cafe americano is also incredible because it cuts through the sweetness perfectly. Give this story-turned recipe a try in your own kitchen and subscribe for more easy recipes. Please do like, save and share this video with your friends and family, and happy baking!